Hi everyone, so really helpful update for our Clio users of Hivelight to make it even easier for you to get started and onboarded into the system. So bringing tasks over being one that's really helpful. So what we can do now is that we can sync tasks two-way between Hivelight and Clio, so that, just getting people in the habit of using Hivelight for the tasking. If they enter in the wrong place, it's okay, it'll come over. So if you enter your tasks in Clio, they'll sync over to the general task board. This is this part of the matter. This is what it looks like if you don't have any milestones on your matter, and if you do have any milestones on the matter, then you'll find general tasks over here. So if you create tasks here, they'll sync to your Clio. If you create tasks in Clio, they'll sync to this board here, which you can then drag and drop under these other milestones as well to get things organized. So that's a helpful way that you can it'll bring your tasks in, and you can start to drag and drop. I'll just show, just to make things, just to illustrate. There we go, I'll just pop that in real quick. And it'll generate, and then what I can do is then we can sort of bring tasks over and just pop them into where we think they should go, and then they can show up there, and then we can start to allocate tasks and that sort of thing. So pretty helpful. Now what we're going to do is also show how this helps with the onboarding side of things. So say you have a matter in your Clio that you want to bring over, and let's have a look at this one. So we'll go have a look at it in Clio, and we will see that it has some tasks on it. There we go. And so now when we go and import that into Hivelight, let's go and choose a team. That'll do. And then we'll import that over. It'll take a moment to do that. And when we open it up, it should show the tasks that we had in our Clio before, and they'll now appear in Hivelight, which will be pretty helpful. And almost done. There we go. All right, let's go look for Kobe. So now a quick search, up it comes, and here we go. Here's the tasks brought over from our Clio, and now we can just start to go organized. So it's as simple as just adding in milestones if we need to, for lack of a better, more creative phrase. So we want to get that stage done by then, and you call it whatever you want, intake, getting your documents organized, filing proceedings, whatever. And now we can just start to drop things and get some structure happening in our matters. Let's do a quick refresh on that to bring that up. And the next thing that's going to be really cool for Clio customers, I know that this is something which many people have wanted, is we can go and grab tasks. So go to your inbox, into your Outlook, we'll hit this, open up your email, then go to your Hivelight Outlook add-in, which you can find here if you need to, and you can also pin it. So we've done that. And we just choose the matter we want to send this to. Let's go, type in Kobe, and there we go. And we can go push this straight into one of the milestones, but what might be even more helpful for some people is push it over to general tasks, and then that will also sync to Clio. There we go. Choose an assignee if we want, and then just go create. So we're just going to push this email as a task into Hivelight, and because we're sending it to the general tasks board on that matter, it will also sync into Clio for us. There we go. Now we can go view that. It'll take us right there, so we can make any additional changes if we need to, adding notes or anything like that. And now we'll see that is on the general task board. That's the lease agreement. And now I can just go open that up in Clio. And if the API gods are kind to me, we'll find that I've synced over. There we go. There it is. So that's a way that you can go and grab emails, convert them into tasks, and push them into both Hivelight and Clio, which should be pretty handy. And one thing too, as a bit of a tip too, if you've created a task, say in Clio, and if it just hasn't synced over to Hivelight, you can always just adjust the date, and they'll re-trigger the API to tell Hivelight about that task to bring it over. But there you go. So now when you get started with your matters and import them from Clio into Hivelight, if you've got a bunch of tasks in Clio, it'll just bring them over and you can start getting organized with your own data real fast, real easy. So hopefully that's helpful to you guys. Again, it syncs on the general tasks board on the matter, and then you can always drag and drop as needed to bring a bit of order and structure to your matters, which is a large part of what we're here for. So I hope you enjoy that. Hopefully that's helpful, and have a great day.